Well, certainly some interesting weather going back to last night as well as early this morning. You're looking at the first snowflakes of the season. Believe it or not, some of the snow actually was able to make it this far south. This from Emily Hardman in Cahokia, Missouri. That's in Clark County there. So extreme northeast Missouri and then a few spots in southeast Iowa. Actually, we're able to pick up a few snowflakes again as this area of heavier snow drifted up toward the north. So central and northern Iowa picked up a good 3.5 to 4 inches of snowfall. 3.7 inches was the official recorded by the National Weather Service up in Des Moines, and that's the 5th highest ranking snowfall total this early in the season. So pretty impressive even by northern and central Iowa standards. Well, we'll show you what's going on around here tonight. Again, we'll have clear conditions. It'll be rather breezy and turning very chilly as well. So thankfully all the moisture is out of here. There won't be any snow or ice to contend with. Here's that massive sprawling area of low pressure. See how this thing is really hooking around now? So still some impressive snows going strong across Wisconsin as well as the upper peninsula of Michigan. So really north of Green Bay, Wisconsin now, and right around Sault Ste. Marie is where some of those more impressive snows are. It's not a very wide band still, so once this starts to crank on out into southeastern Canada, that'll be just about it. By the way, there's also a tropical storm out in the Atlantic right now. That's Tropical Storm Sean, just west of Bermuda, and it'll jet up toward the northeast as almost every other storm out there did this season. So thankfully, no landfalling events from that. And this is getting a little late in the game anyway. At the end of this month, we kind of declared the final touches on the Atlantic Basin hurricane tropical storm season. Here's a check of our temperatures again. Mid to upper 40s this evening, so we've been cooler than average. Upper 50s to around 60 would be normal, so we're a good 10 degrees below that. Again, 48 is our official at Baldwin Field. Look at this area of heavy rain. You know, these have been going strong as well, these thunder showers across eastern Ohio and parts of Pennsylvania and West Virginia. As is often the case for these early to mid-autumn storms that become pretty potent, there's always two sides to the story, and this is the rainy, warm side. And meanwhile, there's enough chilly air again to change over a lot of the rain to snow just north of Green Bay, again up to the upper peninsula of Michigan. So again, that will continue to wrap up into Canada. You can see a dry eastern Iowa now, so that's some good shape. But as far as tonight and tomorrow are concerned, across our area again, we're clearing out, if anything. So clear conditions tonight, breezy and cool, with west winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Upper 20s to around 30 is where our nighttime lows will end up again, which is still cooler than normal. Same tomorrow as far as being chilly, but the sun comes back, and that's great. West winds 15 to 30, pushing the temperatures at least into the middle to upper 40s. We'll have the rest of your week's weather and show you this weekend coming up at the end of the broadcast.